Hi, this is Mark from ValueCharts.com. We're looking at the pre-market action in the S&P 500 futures market. We can see that this market is up fairly solidly in pre-market trading as a response to the commitment of the EU to do whatever it takes to keep the EU together. Time will tell whether this actually happens, but typically in this environment, this type of government intervention only serves as a potential shorting opportunity for us as traders. Now, one thing that's worth mentioning is that on a daily basis, we are expecting to see an upcycle swing here on the daily charts, and we're now trading back above the lower trend line for the channel that was recently broken. So whether this ends up being noteworthy or not, we'll tell very quickly here over the next several days. But the important thing to note is whether we receive follow through, what the market does when it actually opens up today at 9:30, and if we see the market accept or reject this price action over the next several days is going to be very telling. It's possible that that the market is gaining strength here, and we definitely need to pay attention to that. But at least short term, on a short term basis, we are seeing significantly overvalued prices here. We are seeing what could be corrective, what looks like corrective price behavior and how the market's acting at this point. And this could serve to be a potential low risk short entry point right here at these price levels. We can keep an eye maybe on a shorter term 15-minute bar MQ momentum signal from these prices, or we could just jump in, initiate a short with a tight stop and see what happens. So either way, always use stops. We'll continue to watch this situation, but we certainly won't be surprised if the market rejects this stimulus, this verbiage from the EU over time, because at the end of the day, the economy is not going to be influenced that much by this intervention. We still have weak earnings. We still have very weak economic numbers coming out, weak unemployment. That's not going to change overnight. So we'll continue to watch this market to see what happens.